What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of unboxing here. What I did, I purchased a welding table. As you guys saw on one of my previous videos, I did a little unboxing mini review on a welder I purchased from Amazon. I needed a welding table, so this is gonna be it right here. Something small, something tiny. I don't have a lot of room here in the garage, so I needed something that's gonna be able to fold. So I think this is the one I'm gonna need. I'm gonna open it up and show you what this thing looks like. I believe this one is a 20 by 30. I'm sure I'll give you the more specific measurements right now once I cut it open. Oh, it's got a little weight to it. Let me put this to the side. Okay. Yeah, it's a little heavy, but that's what we want. We don't want anything flimsy or light. So let me cut these open, and then I'll show you exactly what this thing looks like. All right, the first thing here is called, the brand is Vevor welding table. Okay. It's got all the instructions, all the package contents, how to assemble it, all the parts. Okay. All the instructions are super clear. I've never had a welding machine before, so I'm sorry, I've never had a welding table like this before. So why don't I just get all the parts out of the package, and I'll show you what this looks like before I start putting it together. Okay. Here are like the corner protectors or something when they ship it. Have a bag of all the hardware here. These are more parts. The hardware is in this little bag right here. Seems like a lot. There's a lot of hardware in here. Everything is packaged really, really good. So far, I'm impressed with the way they put it together. They ship it. This is the tabletop here. so these are all the parts that come with this table. Everything is packaged really nice. A lot of hardware here. This is pretty heavy. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it together and I'll show you what the table looks like once it's all assembled and put together. Alright, so just want to put you on the tripod. Watch me how I put it together. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. The welding table is completely assembled. It took me a while to put it all together. It came with a lot of hardware and a bunch of pieces. But here it is, it's completely done. So this one here, the table, the actual tabletop measures 20 by 30. And it's fairly good. I like it. I'm not gonna be using this for a lot of heavy welding, or I'm not gonna be doing any heavy work on this thing. I just want this to be able to weld on a couple of things here and there, nothing big. So let me show you. This thing has 3 guardrails here on the side, okay? And they are fully adjustable. You can just go up like this and just tighten these up right here, these wing nuts, and you can keep the guardrails up. You can keep your projects or whatever you're welding against this side here, and it'll be easier to keep it squared. Same thing on this side, fully adjustable. Okay, so it has 3 of these and nothing in the front here. So what this table comes equipped in the front with is gonna be, I'll show you right now. I'm gonna turn it around. It has a handle and a couple of hooks for your tools or your stinger or whatever else you want. What else? It's adjustable. It has 4 levels. This is the highest. So if you want to be sitting down, you can just go lower with it. All you got to do is just take these pins out and then turn these knobs, and then that way these 2 bars are gonna go up, down or up, whatever you want. Okay, so I'll show you what it does. I just loosen these up right here, these knobs, and either you want it, if you want it tilted this way or that way, you can do that. Also, when you're done using it and you want to put it away, you can just easily do this. That's it. It folds really easy and has a handle. It has a handle right here. It has the brand stamped on here. Actually, they use rivets to put the stamp, the actual name of the company here. Here are the hooks for your tools, and you can carry it around like this. This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I wanted, because I don't have a lot of room here, and I need to just keep something tight and put away. Not bad at all. I like it. For what I need, it's perfect. Again, once you're done, just put it away, and it sits about like that right there. It's about, I want to say, it's about 8 inches wide. So that's perfect. You ready to use it again? You just take it and you're ready. Okay. You just do this. Tighten these up right here. Tighten this one here. There you go. It's ready to go. Nothing too crazy. This one here is light duty, of course. Let me bring you closer so you can see. What this table looks from close view. The company name is called Vevor. There's another rack down here for more tools. All right. What do you guys think? Have you guys used something like this before? It's gonna be the first time for me using a welding table like this. Well, there it is, guys. It's all put together. I'm gonna use it, I think, this coming week. I'm gonna start working on the mini bikes. I mentioned this before. I'm gonna work on the seats. I'm gonna add suspension to the seats, because right now the ride on the mini bikes is really stiff. It's really bouncy. So I'm gonna try to add a little bit of suspension to that. There's gonna be a video of that coming soon. All right, guys. So there it is. There's the quick unboxing, small review of my new welding table. Nothing too crazy, small. If you guys want to know more about this or where to get it, this one came straight from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the bottom in the description area, so you can, if you guys want to pick one of these up, just click on that link and it'll take you to Amazon, so you can get this one here. For now, I'm gonna say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.